When you complete an application for licensing or renewal, you are required to provide information to the Real Estate Council of Alberta related to past disciplinary history, judgments rendered, bankruptcy and receivership proceedings, criminal code proceedings, and criminal offense convictions. Thereafter, it is your responsibility to immediately notify the Executive Director in writing of any changes, additions, or corrections to any of the information previously provided. Notices can be sent via regular mail, email, or facsimile. In addition to the written notice of any of the above to the Executive Director, you must provide the particulars of the event, situation in question, and any additional documentation requested by the Executive Director. Associate brokers and associates must give their broker a copy of any written notice provided to the Executive Director. In terms of notification, real estate candidates and appraisers have the additional requirement to provide notice in writing to the Executive Director if they cease to be members in good standing of an appraisal association. These are some examples of situations where you must immediately notify the Executive Director. You've been disciplined by a real estate board or other industry association regardless of the particulars of the discipline or the actions that led to the discipline. Upon filing for bankruptcy, including companies owned by you and companies of which you are a director or officer. At the commencement of criminal code proceedings, this includes proceedings for driving under the influence, .08, and uttering threats, and again upon a criminal code conviction. When a judgment has been rendered against you or any companies owned by you or companies of which you are a director or officer in relation to the provision of services or sale of goods to consumers, and if you change your name. To read more about the notification requirements, review the Notification to the Executive Director Information Bulletin on the RECA website at www.reca.ca.